OpenSea, the first and largest marketplace for NFTs, is free to join for everyone and among others provides Polygon blockchain with a gas-free experience. This video will show you the process of creating NFTs in some easy steps. It will not mention all the tiny details, though we'll highlight the most important ones. Be sure to stay until the end of the video, as I will tell you some bonus tips you should be aware of. NFT, a non-fungible token, is a non-interchangeable unit of data stored on a blockchain with unique identification codes and metadata. Unlike cryptocurrencies, NFTs cannot be treated as equivalent, thus they are non-fungible. NFTs may contain digital data such as photos, videos, audio, and other files. As they live on the blockchain, they can be sold and traded on digital markets like cryptocurrencies. As an example, NFTs can digitally represent any asset, including online-only assets like digital artworks or real assets like a sculpture. Further, NFTs are very popular as in-game items and also among artists. When you want to create an NFT, the first step is to decide what will it be about, what you want to represent with it. As NFTs may contain digital data such as photos, videos, audio, the variations are large. You may create just one NFT or a series of NFTs which will form a collection. Certain blockchain networks allow by proper configuration the NFT to be so-called semi-fungible, which means it can be created in multiple instances. This is usually practiced for example at game development for in-game items like common objects. Whatever idea you choose to create your art about, it is important to keep in mind that you must hold the ownership, that you have the copyright for using it. You will have to design the artwork for the NFT. If the NFT will contain a file, for example audio, an artwork will still be needed as a preview image. The dimensions of the artwork usually are not too large. There are a lot of NFTs around the range of 400px 1000px, though there are some quite large ones. Regarding the files, make sure you have created everything well without any mistakes, as once you mint it onto the blockchain, you won't be able to modify it. Besides the actual art, you can store metadata into NFT as well, such as title, description or so. Make sure you double-check the spelling and any other mistakes in them too. There are many marketplaces that allow you to create and list your NFT. They usually differ in the services they provide. I recommend choosing OpenSea, the first and largest marketplace for NFTs. It's free to join. Their tools allow NFTs to be traded freely and enable developers to build integrated marketplaces. When joining a marketplace, the first requirement will be to have a crypto wallet that is supported by that portal and that you have configured the proper blockchain networks for it. Minting NFT and initiating a sale usually requires paying fees. So you will need to allocate the proper amount of cryptocurrency in your wallet for those transactions. Other actions may result in additional fees. You will need to pay attention to the guides of the marketplace. Though besides Ethereum, OpenSea supports Polygon blockchain, which provides a gas-free experience. You can find the link in the description. After finishing the digital assets for your NFT, you may proceed with their creation on OpenSea. An NFT can be included in a collection. Although it is not required, I would recommend creating a collection first, especially if you intend to make several NFTs that share a common theme. The collection will represent and hold your NFTs. Depending on the marketplace you have chosen, you can upload several images and description texts for that. As the next step, you can proceed by creating the individual NFT items. You can enter them manually, one by one, or there are various tools that will let you create them in large quantities. It is a good practice to set up all your NFTs first, verifying the correctness of all the entered information and freezing the metadata before representing the NFTs to the public. So by freezing, you will indicate the NFT will not be changed later. Though pay attention that after listing them for sale, depending on the network, any new addition to the collection may be costly. In case you get stuck or will have questions regarding the creation process, the marketplace will provide guidelines and help. You can read through their online FAQ and manuals. When the NFTs are completed, you can put them on sale by listing them on the marketplace. For that, you will have to provide the price and the duration of the sale. Sometimes various optional parameters are available as well. Be aware that depending on the blockchain network, any modifications to the listed NFTs may be costly. When you receive a buy offer, you will be able to track it on the marketplace interface, and depending on your preferences, you will receive an email notification about it as well. The marketplace itself lets users discover and buy your NFTs. Though as there are a lot of listed items, be prepared with your own marketing campaigns which will guide your audience to your listings. Do not forget to advertise it on your socials and other platforms. Make sure you use only official wallet apps. It is safer to use a hardware wallet as it adds one more layer of security. For increased security, use two-factor authentication, 2FA. Never share your secret recovery phrase. If you liked the video, please smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Do you care about NFTs? What is your opinion of NFT as a digital asset? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching.